Is it possible to find a freehold landed house that is nested in an exclusive serene landed housing enclave, and yet is so conveniently located within minutes to the Springleaf MRT station? Let me show you. Hi everyone, welcome to another series of brand new landed homes from AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. My name is Kevin Tan, and today we're at Upper Thomson, Springleaf Garden Estate. This brand new 3.5-storey semi-detached house comes with a land size of 2,900 over square feet and a built-out space of 5,700 over square feet. Built with a lap pool and a separate jacuzzi pool, you can imagine all the outdoor fun that the family can have in this house. The 4 ensuite bedrooms in this house are tucked away from each other to provide exclusive privacy to all family members, served by a private lift to all levels. A unique feature of this house is the huge outdoor terrace on level 2, which is perfect for hosting gatherings and parties on various occasions. Call us today at 9326 for exclusive viewing. Once again, this is Kevin Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.